Alright, so making the Duramax 14-gallon gravity-fed gas tank not be a piece of shit. So anyone that has this knows it comes with a hose. It's just gravity-fed. The hose is a piece of shit. It's actually this kind of hose, but the reason it's a piece of shit is because it comes straight off of this and tries to bend up this way, which causes it to kink, so that's annoying. So what I did initially was took that valve out and I put the swivel one in, same style you'd see at a gas station. And this was working excellent. I had this type of pump connected to it. And you would just plug it in and it worked awesome. So the problem is these pumps are just generic pieces of shit from Amazon. And what they end up doing is leaking. So this is the third one I've been on. I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna go with this. The only problem that sucks with this one is it's battery fed, so I'll have to maybe make a bracket for a battery. So that's what I'm gonna try to do, hook this pump up to it. Okay, here's what we got so far. We got the hose on there. I mounted the pump right here with some nuts and bolts. And unfortunately, I accidentally got the wrong size for the pump, so I can't hook up the pump hose. Got to go back to Home Depot and get the right size and then go from there. And there you have it. Here's the finished product. We bolted it to there. Cut the line off of this pump, the old pump, and put it up there, and it works great. And the nice thing about this pump is it'll go in reverse, so after you're done you can just hit the reverse a little bit. It'll suck all the fuel out of the line and put it back in the tank, so it won't be sitting in the line. And now this gas tank doesn't suck.